And the last one in this section we're going to look at is number 54, and this is division of scientific notation numbers. And again, you don't have to make them regular ones because you're going to want to write your answers in scientific notation because that's what we're dealing with in this problem. So with multiplication, we multiplied the two things out in front of the 10 to the powers, okay, and then we added exponents on those. Well, now we're dividing, so what we're going to do is we're going to divide these two numbers, and you're going to need calculators. So on my calculator, I'm going to take 3.1 and I'm going to divide by 1.8. So if I do that, or you do that, and check my work here, 3.1 divided by 1.8 is about 1.72, and then it repeats, 2, 2. And you can do a little rounding. I'd go to like 4 places. The 2 does repeat, so approximately 1. So this is going to be equal to 1.7222 approximately times 10. Now, with multiplication, so for instance up here when this was multiplication, I didn't do this problem earlier, I would add exponents. When I subtract, or when I divide, I have to subtract exponents, top to bottom. So when I'm looking for what this exponent's going to be on my 10, I'm going to take negative 3, subtract 5. So negative 3 subtract 5 would be negative 8. So it's about 1.7222 times 10 to the negative 8th. Now, you do have to be careful in these divisions. When there's a negative on the bottom down here, sometimes you'll be subtracting a negative, which turns into a plus a positive, so just be careful with those.